Good morning everyone, I am Angeline Kayaban. Our topic for today is all about internal normal forces, shear forces, and bending moment in the beam. So we have a problem here. Determine the internal normal force, shear force, and bending moment in the beam at points C and D. Assume the support at B is a ruler. Point D is located just to the right of the 10K load. So, ang first step natin is i-consider muna natin yung buong whole beam para makakuha natin yung bawat reaction. So, first, kukunin natin si By. So, kahit saan naman dyan, pwede natin kunin. So, summation of moment A, counterclockwise, positive, is equal to 0. So, 0 equals to By. And then, yung distance niya na 30 plus 25 and negative 25. Tapos, yung negative 10, which is yung load natin, and yung ita-times mo siya sa distance na 20. So, yung By natin is 6.667. Yan na yung sagot natin. So, next natin nakukunin is yung Ay. So, summation of forces vertical is equal to 0, yung assumption natin na pataas. So, 0 is equal to Ay plus yung By natin, which is yung 6.667. I-minus mo siya sa load natin na 10. So, ang sagot natin is 3.333. So, next is proceed tayo sa bisegment para makuha natin yung internal forces and moments. So, first is, kinat ko siya sa segment AC para makuha yung internal forces and moment sa point C dahil yun yung hinahanap sa problem. So, summation of forces vertical is equal to 0 plus assumption pataas. So, 0 is equal to negative BC plus yung AY natin na 3.333. So, yung sagot natin sa BC is 3.333. So, yung kukunin naman natin is yung bending moment ng C. So, summation of moment C is equal to 0 plus counterclockwise. So, 0 is equal to MC. Negative 25. Negative 3.333 plus yung distance na 10. So, yung sagot natin sa bending moment ng C is 58.3. So, next is segment DB. Dahil hinahanap natin yung internal forces and moment ng D. So, first na kukunin natin is yung shear force ng D, which is summation of forces vertical is equal to 0. Assumption natin pataas. So, 0 is equal to BD plus yung By natin, which is yung 3.6667. So, yung sagot natin sa point D, sa shear force, is negative 3.667. Next is yung bending moment ng point D. So, summation of moment D is equal to 0, counterclockwise positive. So, 0 is equals to negative MD plus 25 plus yung 6.667 and yung distance na 10. So, yung sagot natin sa bending moment ng point D is 91.7. So, yun yung magiging sagot.